Have you ever wondered how AI is changing the way we market homes in Los Angeles? Okay, imagine this. You're scrolling through your favorite social media feed and suddenly you see a stunning video tour of a home that feels just like it was made for you. No, it's not magic. It's AI. From predicting the best time to sell to targeting the right buyers with pinpoint accuracy, AI is revolutionizing real estate marketing. So why is this topic so crucial? Well, in a city as dynamic and diverse as Los Angeles, standing out is everything. With the advent of AI, we now have tools that can not only make your home look amazing, but also ensure it reaches the right eyes at the right time. It's about maximizing your home's potential and getting the best possible return on your investment. All right, the first thing we need to talk about is the importance of creating a meaningful narrative. It's no longer just about listing features and square footage. It's about telling a story and connecting with the audience. We analyze what resonates with buyers and help craft a narrative that makes potential buyers envision their lives in the home. I don't care what you're selling. If it's a $100 million home in Beverly Hills or a one-bedroom condo in Inglewood, the audience is different, but the process of steering emotions is the same. I don't care how much money you have or you don't have in the bank. A good joke will make you laugh, and a sad story will make you cry. My job is to make the audience fall in love with their next home. Now, let's talk about tracking interactions with consumers. AI helps us understand how potential buyers interact with the listings online, from the moment they click on a photo to how long they watch a video. Every interaction is tracked and analyzed. This data helps us refine our marketing strategies, ensuring that we're always improving and adapting. Because not all platforms are created equal. Understanding the difference between social media platforms is crucial. Each platform has its own audience and its own best practices. We tailor our content for each platform. Whether it's a beautifully crafted Instagram post, an engaging Facebook ad, a targeted Google ad, or a YouTube ad, the goal is to meet the audience where they are to make your home stand out. Look, anyone can put your home in the MLS and Zillow and let it sit there collecting dust. Not me, not us. And why not? Because the power of video is making YouTube the second largest search engine in the world after its daddy, Google. The importance of video cannot be overestimated. It's not just about showcasing the house. It's about telling a story. Through research, we create personalized video content that will highlight the unique features of your home and its surrounding. High-quality video tours, drone footage, and even virtual reality experiences are now within reach, making your home more appealing to potential buyers. And you know what? Low quality video is just as important. Yes, you heard me correctly. I mean raw, real life, low quality video is very impactful. You know those super slick $1 million listings videos that look like Michael Bay action movies or Euro techno music videos? You know how many buyers watch those videos? Zero. Or nearly zeros. Those are made to make the sellers happy. They're not made for buyers. And you know what? You don't need that. You need results. Okay, let's talk about A/B testing. This is another game changer. By running multiple versions of ads and seeing which ones perform better, we can optimize our marketing efforts. AI takes the guesswork out of it, analyzing which images, headlines, and call to actions are most effective. It's all about refining our approach to get the best results. Don't get me wrong, traditional marketing still matters. While AI is very powerful, there is a role for traditional marketing which is still very important. So open houses, print ads, networking events, they are still effective. However, combining this with AI-driven strategies creates a more robust marketing plan. It's all about blending the old with the new to reach the widest audience possible. By analyzing buyers' profiles, we understand who your potential buyers are, their preferences, their behaviors, and even their purchasing timeline. We can create highly targeted ads that speak directly to them. It's precision marketing at its finest. Look, let's face it, Web 3.0 is here. Most realtors are stuck in Web 2.0 or earlier, but things are different. I may be a Los Angeles real estate agent, but my team is in India, Canada, Ukraine, Pakistan, and the Philippines. And that is not a joke, because we are talking about data-driven and results-oriented, leveraging human capital from all over the world to sell a house down the street. It works and it matters. Okay, that's all I have for you today. My name is Matias Baker Masucci, and if you need me, I'm sure you know where to find me. If I don't hear from you sooner, I will see you in the next video. Until next time, don't forget to explore boldly and live passionately in LA.